In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to start by exiting Tap menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then in the pop-up select close. So when I go back, as you can see, location of my device is now off. If you wish to switch it back on, click on the same no see-through icon. You can also go into settings and scroll down to access location section. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on this switcher next to location access to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!